Capital gains, it's another use it or lose it allowance. So capital gains has become even more important now because the capital gains tax exemption has been cut right down to £3,000 per annum. It was £12,100 per person. It then reduced to £6,000 per person. It's now a measly £3,000 per person. But it is possible and important for you to consider whether you might want to make use of this allowance, because again, you can use it each year and then you lose it. But if you have a gain and you can sell something to crystallise a gain of up to £3,000, you won't pay any tax on that. You might also want to think about whether you have any losses that you might need to. So if you've got investments that are loss making, it might be worth selling some of those to crystallise those losses to carry forward against future gains. So it does take a little bit of thinking, a little bit of pre-planning, but definitely worth doing. Be careful though, if you sell assets at a loss and then want to buy them back, there are rules around what's known as bed and breakfasting. So I'm not going to go into the details of that here, but be aware you can't sell shares and buy back the same shares within 30 days or you'll be heavily penalised for that.